Oh, it's time to crawl.
Go to mommy.
Come on, Brayden, come on. Oh, good job. Wow, that was so fast. You were able to crawl so fast with that belly up off the ground. Yeah. Okay, backing up.
Boy. Go, Brayden, go. Go.
Come on.
Go to mommy.
Come on, Brayden. Not Lamper.
I think he's more swimming position.
Move that little forward like over his little titties, and then maybe you'll learn do something with the back legs. There, a little better in the middle.
Okay, crawl, Brayden, crawl. Get that belly up off the ground.
Go. Go to mommy.
Come on, Brayden. Come on, Brayden, come on. Here we go. Good job, buddy. Good job. Good job. There you are up on your hands and knees. Now what?
There you go.